Hello, this is a development video for Deadbeak's first game, possibly last game, who knows. As you can see here, very early on in the process. But this is what we've got so far, and we're going to try and keep a video diary of how it goes. So as you can see, we've got two little dudes. The characters, the character model is a Creative Commons Zero model that we found on Blender Swap or something. I'll try and put a link in the description. Everything else is ours, obviously. What we've got so far is a basic NPC code. The NPC will wander around between those three waypoints indefinitely. We've got basic movement for the main player, and obviously camera follow. Can also run. The animations, sorry, are not ours. Obviously, the animations are the raw mocap data that comes in the Unity store, and we also have some collision detection, but that's not exactly impressive considering it's built into Unity. Obviously, we're using Unity as soon as I keep mentioning it. So, going into what actual features we've made, as opposed to what's built into Unity, we have an opening door, and we have a waypoint system for the NPC. He'll just walk between these three dots, or however many dots we decide to give him, however many world locations. We could also randomize his choice. He doesn't have to walk in sequence. He can pick a dot at random and walk to it. And I'll just show you. We also have a random walk around within a certain radius function for this NPC. So setting this on, he will just randomly walk around, stop for indeterminate amount of times, and then walk around a bit more. And the final movement feature we added to this NPC is the follow, which is, I suppose, would be good for fetch quests or whatever. It basically makes him the most annoying character on the planet because he just follows you round. And I keep referring to these NPC and the character as a he, but the character model, as you've probably noticed, is actually a she. And our game has a female protagonist, so bear that in mind. Now I've set our little character to just stand around for this one to show off the final feature that we've been working on, which, as you may have guessed, is the dialogue system, which is very limited at the minute. It does more than I can show you in this particular demo, but as you can probably guess, you press enter, we get a bit of dialogue from the NPC, zoom into his freakishly large head, and we get these two options. Not quite sure why the camera moves when you select them, but it's very early. I'll work on that. And you can select said options, player says something, dialogue responds, and that's that. So the game is being worked on by Deadbeak, which as of yet isn't really any kind of entity other than we just a couple of people who like to make stuff. It is myself, Beagry / John Bullock, and a fella named Sekoj / Andrew Alsop, who are making the game. It is tentatively titled Tempus Fugit, or something along those lines, and we will have more about it as we develop more. Thank you for watching.